just walking into the room.
And bye.
And today we are going to show you how to make slime.
Clear slime.
Clear slime. Sorry, we already added the glue and the bowl is a bit messy.
Yeah. 2, 1.
Okay, so you can see this. Now my cousin is coming in with the mortar. And she's going to stir it and I'm going to knead it.
Yeah, yes.
And I'm going to add a little of the borax.
So first you need to stir this carefully.
We added water and glue. Can we do it a bit fast?
Oh my god.
This is some more. You can't see it.
So yeah.
And now we
Now
add a
we're
bit of
borax.
borax.
That's good.
That's much. You can
Yeah,
see
yeah.
that. 1 spoon. Borax should be fine.
Yeah.
You can see it's turning into the shape. Sorry, we made a bit little borax, but still.
More borax.
We need a bit more
So
borax.
you can see that this is like forming.
It's kind of like jello or something. And we are going to add a bit more borax.
You should make a video where you make slime out of jello. Why don't you recommend just some videos like that? Yeah, see?
Okay, so now
Ouch.
we are going to knead it like this. Pause.
Speak.
So guys, this is after you knead it a lot. And we added just a little more glue so it will be big and clear. And you can see it's so nice and clear. And to make it more better, we are going to add a bit of lotion.
How do you add lotion to clear slime though? Just
Okay,
you
sorry.
don't have to add lotion. You could add like something like gel or something for this. Yeah. Okay.
We'll
So
add gel. It's turned into a ball. Okay, so add really little gel. Otherwise, it won't be that good. So we'll knead it and knead it and knead it. More and more and more. So you can see it's turned into the shape. And now you can just poke it. So look at that. It's not become that stretchy yet since we just made it.
speak.
Okay guys, so you can see now you'll have to wait a little more longer, but we don't have that much time, so I'm just going to keep this aside. And guys, bye for now. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and
like.
like. And don't forget to